Hey there, I'm Julian, and in this video we want to compare Base44 with Wix, and I hope at the end of the video you know which software to choose for your next project. When the AI movement started, let's say at the beginning of 2025, there was one guy, Maor Shlomo in Israel, and he started his own no-code app builder and he called it Base44. And it didn't took Wix longer than I think 6 months, and then they knocked on his door and said, hey, we want to buy this software from you, and they paid him $80 million and bought Base44. So in essence, both softwares are owned by the same company, by Wix, but they do different things. And if you want to get started, the best part is both softwares let you do this for free, and therefore you will find my partner link to Base44 or to Wix down in the video description, and you can just click on it, sign up for free, and at the same time you're helping me and my channel. So thank you if you're using my links down below in the video description. So now, before we sign up, I want to show you a quick presentation, and you choose Base44 if you want to build an app or a SaaS product. You can also build websites, so it's like your own developer and designer in one software, and you don't need to know how to do this. You can just talk to the AI in plain English and it will start building the app or the website for you. And on the other hand, if you want to build websites, you can use Wix because it's primarily focused on websites and online stores, and it will give you a back end where you can edit the product or the pages or the blog post you just want to publish, and then you can just type in the text in the backend and it will directly publish it to the web. And Wix is powerful because it has 100 of different templates which proven to work over the years, and you have a full drag and drop editor, so you can move the elements on your website around, the pictures, the text and the buttons, you can just move them around. And here on Base44, the AI will do this for you. You don't really need to touch anything. You can just talk to the AI, change the color of the button, move it up, move it down, delete it, and it will do this for you. I would say let's dive in. You can click on the link down below and then you can sign up for Base44 and Wix. I will do this now and I will show you what you can do. And once you have signed up, this is Base44, and here you can describe your app idea or your website idea. You can also just add photos and maybe some documents which you want to show on your website, and you can also connect it to different tools like Instagram, Calendly, to a database here, to your Google Calendar, to LinkedIn, to Gmail. It's very integrated in the tool landscape. For example, you can just click on the microphone icon here and say, hey, I want a new website for my business, so please go ahead and build me a website. And of course you want to get creative and type in everything you want in your website. And I have prepared a prompt here. Hey, I need a new website for my English language present. I would like it to link it to a subdomain later. Right now I only have a German one, etc., etc. And I linked up some videos of mine which also should be included there, and I will upload a picture of mine. So I can just go here and upload this picture, and it will use this picture on this website. And it now basically works like ChatGPT. So I just gave it this prompt and a picture and some links, and then I hit enter and it will directly send it to the AI of Base44, and now it will start building the website for me entirely. So this is very nice. I know it's the future, but it is how it works. It's very simple. So let's jump over to Wix while this is building and see what Wix can do for us. So this is Wix and let's get started. As said, you will find the link down below, a partner link. Thanks if you use it. It will help me a lot to make more of these videos in the future. And once you have signed up for Wix, you will land here and you have 3 different options. So you have Wix Studio, which is more for web designers. It's like Framer or Webflow, like a very professional editing software. You can do everything by the pixel and very pixel perfect. And you can have Wix Harmony Editor, which is like an AI editor where you can just describe what you want to build, and then the AI will build the website for you. And you have the classic Wix editor, and it basically works with templates. You choose a template and then you can start adding your own text. You can drag and drop the pictures and so on. So for example, I've built my own website here in German by a template, and this is the output of the website. It's a little old, I know, but this is what I'm able to build with Wix with the classic editor. But since we are now living in the AI age, let's compare the Wix Harmony editor to Base44. Therefore, I will just click on it. And now the AI will start asking me a couple of questions. First, tell me what your site is about. I will go through this. It's kind of boring, so I will skip this part. And then we will see us at the end. And now I am done with the questions, and now I can click go to dashboard, and the AI is setting up everything for me. So this is quite nice. Wix has a lot of different functionalities built in the back end because it has been around for some time. So you have blog functionalities, you have online functionalities, you can build portfolio websites and so on. And now we are in the dashboard of Wix, and here you can start looking for a domain, but let's click on design site because this is what we want to do now and see the website. And here you have two options. You can either also directly put in a prompt, they call it ARIA here, and it will help you to design the site, or you can choose a template here. But let's try ARIA. So I will give it the same prompt which I gave Base44, and let's hit generate site, and now ARIA will get to work. So let's see what it comes up with, and let's go back to Base44 because here we already see a result. So this is what Base44 has built for me. It uploaded my picture and said, hey, I'm Julian, let's build something together. Watch my tutorials on YouTube, turning complex tools into clear tutorials. And it also shows the videos I gave it, and it also has a contact form. So I think this is the perfect landing page. It looks modern. It's also optimized for tablet and mobile, and when I hit publish, it will automatically give me a domain, either a custom domain like this one, or you will get a dummy domain first, and then you can also just publish it for free. But I have connected my own domain here, so like a subdomain, and you can see that the website is already live and people can start using it and see everything. So this is the power of Base44, and if you want to make changes, you can just talk to the AI and say, hey, please add me a contact page, or add me like a about me page, or some online store functionality, for example. So you just describe what you want and Base44 builds it. The only downside is if you want to edit something, you need to click edit, then you can choose the element, and then you can edit the text, but you're not really able to drag and drop it. So you can't move it around here on the canvas. You would need to describe the AI what you want to do, and then it will do it for you. You just have basic functionalities here, for example, the size of the text and so on, but it's not a real drag and drop editor like Wix, but we will get to this in a minute. But I think it's perfect if you're not design focused and you just need a website. Base44 is really simple. As said, you will find the link down below if you want to try it out. Let's go back to Wix, and now it's planning my site and it's still working on it. So I like the animations. And yeah, let's see what it comes up with. So now it says my site is ready. This was like 5 minutes or something, and this is the site. So let's see how it looks. Build smarter web development tutorials reimagined, start learning. So one thing, I forgot to upload my picture, so it took this guy here. Yeah, this is okay. About Julian with over 10 years of experience. I think this J looks kind of weird. It's a weird font, but it uploaded my tutorials here, and also a contact form here, and also start learning, and it also designed a logo for me, so that's nice. And it's also optimized for mobile. Let's check it out. Yeah, not really optimized for mobile, so I would need to change this image here, but this looks okay. This looks also fine. And yeah, I think the AI also works, but you be the judge. This is the AI Wix Harmony came up with, and this is the website Base44 came up with. So I think this looks a little bit more sexy, but the advantage now here is that if we want to start editing the website, we can add sections ourselves here. So you can either generate a section with AI, or you can add a design section here. And this is the power of Wix. They have a lot of different design section pre-made. So for example, a portfolio, a contact info, and you can just choose from this and just add the section, and then it's directly built into your website, and then you can start making changes to it. So you can upload your own images here, and you can drag everything around, and you can change the font size here, the colors, and so on. You can do this with Base44 as well, but it will be a different experience because it's not a drag and drop editor. And let's check it out. The builder is somewhat different from what I know from Base44. It's definitely different than the Wix editor, this Harmony. So for example, this website was built with a drag and drop editor, and this Harmony thing, it's a little bit more beginner friendly because you don't have so much freedom to move everything around. Let me show you quickly what you can do with the old or common Wix editor. So this is my personal site. It's in German, but never mind, because here I just want to show you that you can drag every element freely on the canvas. So I can place this text on my forehead or here, and I can just go in and change everything about this button, the link, the design options, and I have many different design options here to choose from, so it will give you a lot of freedom. Harmony, the AI editor of Wix, doesn't give you that. You also need to talk to the AI here and it will make the changes for you. But a lot of people I know like Wix because you have this design freedom that you can drag everything around. So yeah, I think this is the main difference, but I like the output of Base44 better. So I like this website a lot better than this website. And what people don't know yet, you can build fully functional apps with Base44. So for example, I also built this Base44 calorie tracker. I just gave it some screenshots and one prompt, and it gave me this fully functional calorie tracker. So for example, I can just upload a picture here from my meal. So take a photo, and it will work on your phone as well. But here I can just upload a meal from my desktop PC, a photo I just saved, and it will automatically analyze the calories for me and will track this. So for example, here an ice cream scoop and it has 350 calories. I can click save and it will add this to my daily timeline and deduct it from my calorie balance right here. So this is just one app I built, and yeah, I like this about Base44 because you can create apps and websites, and with Wix you can only create websites, but therefore it's a fully functional website builder for professionals and beginners. So with Base44, I would choose this for apps and websites where you just want to tell the AI, hey, please write me a website, use these pictures, and it will directly do this for you. And Wix is more if you really want to go in and make changes to every little detail. And if you want to build online stores, I would also prefer Wix because it has a full backend system for managing the different products, the delivery informations, and the payment processing. So there I would also choose Wix. If you want to try it out yourself, you will find the links down below. If you have any questions beyond that, just feel free to contact me. This was the difference between Base44 and Wix. I hope it helped you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.